Hello everyone, welcome to Vibe of Power Vlogs. So today we are going to unbox the Nestle's Munch Bites. 30% more, 17 units inside. Again the green dot given is 100% vegetarian product. So you can see from the front side. You can take a look from the back side. So the net quantity is 168.3 grams. 17 units are there in the packet. So now let's open it. So you will get 17 units. You can see over here in the packet. So now let's open it. So you can see the Munch bar from the front side, from the back side. You can see the coated wafer by chocolate. So thank you so much. Let me know how was the unboxing of the Munch Bites, and I bought this for 100 rupees. So you will get it on Amazon, Blinkit, etc. online portals. So we'll meet in the next upcoming video of Web of Power Vlogs. Till then, thank you so much.